Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I will let you show you the way how you can remove emoji here from your picture. So we use the CapCut application today. Let's open the CapCut application. Now click this plus button and then just need to go click the photos and just add the photos that contain emoji on it. Now click add. The next thing you need to do is just go tap into this clip and just scroll into the left side until you got the duplicate, and just go tap into the duplicate and go make the duplicate become overlay. The next thing you need to do is just go drag into the same positions with the area. Go tap into this overlay clip again. Now you just need to slide into the left side until you got mask, and then just tap into the mask. Pick the round shapes one, adjust it into the correct positions that nearest with the area of the emoji. Now click this checklist button and you just need to pinch the screen into the other side while you need to drag it to cover the emoji on this picture. Right after this screen, and then you just need to tap the screenshots result and just crop into the picture area only and go click done. Save into the photos, and now you already have those photo with emojis removed on it. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.